Welcome to Health Hacks 101, where we'll provide you with everything you need to know to get started on your journey to better health. In this video, we will be sharing some valuable tips and tricks that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. These simple hacks will have a big impact on your overall well-being. The first health hack we're going to cover is proper nutrition. It's important to fuel your body with the right foods to maintain optimal health. We'll guide you through the basics of a balanced diet and share some delicious and nutritious recipe ideas. Say goodbye to unhealthy eating habits and hello to a healthier you. Next up is exercise and fitness. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, improving cardiovascular health, and boosting overall mood. We'll provide you with exercise tips for beginners, demonstrate simple workouts you can do at home, and introduce you to some fun fitness trends to keep you motivated. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a common issue for many. We'll show you effective stress management techniques that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. From mindfulness exercises to relaxation techniques, we have you covered. Say goodbye to stress and hello to a more balanced and peaceful life. Getting quality sleep is vital for overall health and well-being. In this scene, we'll discuss the importance of sleep hygiene and provide you with tips for a better night's sleep. From creating a soothing bedroom environment to establishing a bedtime routine, we'll help you optimize your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Congratulations! You've now learned some essential health hacks to kickstart your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, small changes can have a big impact. Start implementing these tips today and watch as your overall health and well-being flourish.